Number 4. How to make all your questions into required questions without clicking the slider button for each question. Remember, you must do this before constructing any questions. If not, this setting will not work. For that, click the three dots in the top right here, the dots next to your profile picture. Select Preferences. Tick Make Questions Required, then click Save. Let's try it out. Before adding a new question, delete this old part of the question. If you ask me why, I will show you the reason now. As you can see here, there is no asterisk symbol next to the question and the required slider button is in off mode even after you have changed the settings. I want to type a question here to see if there will be any changes to the required slider button. Not at all. The required slider button is still off. Let's see what happens when I add a new question. Tap the plus sign to add a question. But for this question, the required slider button is turned on without you clicking it. And there is an asterisk symbol next to the question. I'm going to type here, what is your favorite subject? See, the required slider button is still turned on. If you are wondering how, it is because the new setting only applies to every newly added question. But this part of the question is already there even before you change the settings. That's the reason why you need to delete this old part of the question. One more important thing, remember to change this setting when creating a survey form as time. Let's say your new survey form consists of both required and optional questions because this setting applies to the Google form that you will be creating in the future too.